Finally we could manage to get one Redmi Note 5 Pro from the insane flash sale going on Flipkart. So today in this video we are going to do the unboxing and our honest review of the new Xiaomi flagship. So without further ado, let's get started.
Before starting this video, make sure to hit the red subscribe button on our channel and also press the bell icon beside it as to get quick notifications of our new uploads.
So here is the box which says India's #1 smartphone brand. And trust me guys, it took me multiple failures in 3 flash sales to get this one. So that's why I can't really wait to look at this. At the back it gives us some basic information like the specification of the smartphone as well as the variant of this smartphone. This one is the 6GB variant. So let's quickly cut this plastic covering the box. And now let's slide this sleeve off and bring out this beauty out of the box. In here we first get the free case or the back cover which comes with it, and this thing looks like it will look great with the black Redmi Note 5 Pro. Then we get the smartphone inside here, but I really want Xiaomi to attach a pulling plastic with its smartphone, as you know, else we need to do like this. We need to shake the phone upwards down to get this out of the box. So let's keep this aside for now and check out what else do we get inside this box. We have this quick start guide as well as the warranty information here, and then we get the charger which seems like a bit bigger than the charger which we had seen with the Redmi Note 4. But even here we are not getting a fast charger, as this one can give an output of 5V at 2 amps, which is normal charging unit. We also get a micro USB cable for charging and data syncing and the SIM tray ejection tool. Now let's keep all the boring stuff aside and let's check out the smartphone. So here is the new Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro in all its glory. The back of the smartphone is where lies the beauty. The fingerprint is at the perfect spot and the camera bump looks like the one in the Apple iPhone 10. Whatever, Apple won't give you this look under this price range, so whatever we are getting is absolutely great. So from my side, no complaints. The front of the smartphone sports a 6-inch IPS LCD screen having a resolution of 1080 by 2160. The speaker at the middle, and also has got a 20 megapixel front selfie camera, and this time it comes with a selfie flash as well. On the left we have got nothing but the SIM card tray. On the right we have the power button and the volume keys. At the top it has got the IR blaster for remotely controlling your home appliances with the secondary noise cancellation microphone. At the bottom it has the speaker grills with the micro USB slot, main microphone for taking calls, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. At the back we have the dual cameras and the LED flash at the middle, a 12 megapixel and a 5 megapixel shooter which sadly can only shoot videos up to 1080p Full HD. I hope Xiaomi will add support of 4K video recording in the future updates. Just below it we get the fingerprint sensor and the Mi branding at the bottom. Now let's boot up this smartphone for the first time, and by the time let's go through some specifications of the new Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. It rocks the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636, which is an octa-core CPU pairing with the Adreno 509 GPU. It has got a massive 4000 mAh non-removable battery, supports micro SD card up to 256GB, and the phone, as you all know, has got 2 variants, one with 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, and the other one which we are showing here on this video is the 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage model. It also comes in various colors: black, champagne gold, rose gold, and lake blue. Now the phone has booted up for the first time, and I'll quickly complete the initial setup and come back when it's done. Now guys, here we are in the home screen, and by looking at the display, I would say that the display has not changed much in its quality if you compare with the Redmi Note 4, but the huge 6-inch 18:9 aspect ratio on the display with the curved edges looks absolutely fantastic. One thing that I like about Xiaomi phones is that the fluidity. They doesn't add much bloatwares like what Samsung does, and that's why the phone is very smooth. The phone ships with Android Nougat out of the box and expected to hit Android Oreo as soon as Xiaomi starts rolling out the update. While doing the initial setup, I did set up the face unlock as well as the fingerprints, and trust me guys, the fingerprint and the face unlock is so damn fast in this smartphone. Simply tap the power button and look towards the phone and unlocked. Again, see, it's so fast. Just look towards the phone and boom, it's unlocked. Now let's check out the fingerprint scanner here. Touch on the fingerprint scanner and see, it's really fast. Just look at the mirror in the back. You can see my finger. I'll just touch the scanner and unlocked. The fingerprint sensor has improved a lot from the Redmi Note 4. Now I don't want to make this video a long one as this is not an in-depth review, but one thing for which everyone is excited is the camera. So let's fire up the camera and click some shots. So now on the camera UI we get the new portrait option, and thankfully you can also take portrait pictures from the front camera as well. Let's take some pictures here. So these are some of the sample shots that I took from this camera, and it turned out to be very good at outdoor natural lighting but still struggles a lot in indoor lighting situation. Still, I would say a better camera when comparing with the Redmi Note 4. So guys, before finishing this video, I would like you guys to know that if you're buying this smartphone or if you had already bought one, make sure to use the case which comes with it or any other case or back cover of your choice, as when you keep this on a table or anywhere else, it actually rests on its camera bump, which I don't like at all, as if you're not using a case then you can end up scratching the back metal plate or the camera as well. So make sure to use a case while using this smartphone. So guys, that was it for the unboxing and our honest review of the new Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. As you know, it's only available via Flipkart flash sale, so I really hope you to get one of this bad boy, as this is a great bang for the buck smartphone, and under Rs 20,000, this is the best budget smartphone available nowadays. And guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to hit the like button down below and also do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.